I am healthy and strong. My body is a temple of perfect health and vitality. I am strong, energized, and thriving every day. My immune system is powerful and naturally resilient. I am healthy and strong. Every breath I take fills me with healing energy. My cells are renewing, rejuvenating, and thriving effortlessly. I feel younger, stronger, and healthier every day. I am healthy and strong. My mind and body are in perfect harmony and balance. I radiate health, happiness, and well-being. My body heals itself quickly and completely. I am healthy and strong. I wake up feeling refreshed, renewed, and full of life. Every organ in my body functions in perfect balance and strength. My skin glows with youthful beauty and vitality. I am healthy and strong. I am filled with pure, healing energy. My digestion is smooth, strong, and effortless. My heart beats with love, strength, and wellness. I am healthy and strong. I am deeply grateful for my perfectly healthy body. My body absorbs only nourishment and positivity. I am always surrounded by healing, protection, and love. I am healthy and strong. My cells vibrate with pure energy and wellness. I move with grace, strength, and ease. My immune system protects and supports me fully. I am healthy and strong. I feel incredible in my body, and I treat it with love and care. I naturally choose foods that fuel, heal, and energize me. My body craves movement, and I love how strong and vibrant I feel when I work out. Every cell in my body loves me, and I love every single one of them in return. I am healthy and strong. I feel amazing after a workout, and my body thanks me for it. I am deeply connected to my body's wisdom, and I honor it every day. My body repairs, restores, and regenerates perfectly. I am grateful for the gift of perfect health, energy, and longevity. I am healthy and strong. I attract vibrant health, strength, and joy effortlessly. I am vibrant and thriving. I am full of energy and life. I heal effortlessly and completely. I radiate health and strength. I feel amazing in my body. Every cell in my body is thriving. I am resilient and powerful. I nourish my body with love. I am glowing with wellness. I am healthy and strong. 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 And so it is.